Today, we will discover more about living off the grid without power. Lighting without electricity. During the day, the lack of electricity-powered lighting will not be a major issue. However, without lighting, finding your way about the house at night might be difficult. In an emergency, torches are beneficial, but for a lengthy alternative, try candlelight, lanterns, rechargeable batteries, headlights, wrist spotlights, and solar lights. Candles last a long time and are affordable, so you may buy them in quantity and they will not go bad. Make your own candles out of beef fat, cotton string, and glass jars. Heating without electricity. Heating is also one of the essentials in cold winter and off-grid living. Heating will be required both for warming inside of house and water. House heating. A fireplace may be used to heat a space on chilly winter evenings. While not quite as energy efficient as other methods, placing the fireplace in the center of the residence and constructing ducts to enable heat to circulate throughout the house is a good option. Water heating. Think about installing a birch furnace or propane furnace or a supplemental photovoltaic heater which can be used both for heating room and water heating. Cooking without electricity. Even if you don't have power, you still have a lot of possibilities. If you want to go old school, you may use a wood stove. However, if you want something more advanced, a propane gas burner is an option. Food preservation without electricity. Refrigerators that operate on gas or kerosene are available. Portable battery-powered refrigerators are also available on the market. They may be charged using either your car battery or a photovoltaic system. Water system without electricity. Water has several applications in our lives since humans cannot exist without it. Rainwater harvesting. Setting up a rainwater collecting system in your home is one method to operate for having a sufficient supply of water if you're living without power. Always double-check that any system you create complies with your state's water rights laws and regulations. Connecting to the world. You may be able to use landlines without electricity if the phone lines, which utilize a different system, remain intact. If cell phone towers are not down and you have a solar-powered cellular phone charger, it may still work. For short-range communication, you might use a citizen band or CB radio. Entertainment. You could find it difficult to live without your television, audio, and other entertainment equipment. It's difficult to adjust to a life without these entertainment devices since they allow you to rest and unwind. However, this might be a chance for you to pursue new interests and hobbies. Try to play a musical instrument, pick up woodworking, play games, and read more. Homesteading and livelihood. If market commerce is still active and you're not yet self-sufficient, you will require a source of income. If cash is no longer valuable, consider trading supplies such as cattle, vegetables, or agricultural products. Many people who desire to be self-sufficient in the absence of electricity turn to homesteading. Urban prepping. If homesteading in the country or even in the city isn't your thing, that's okay. Many individuals are ready to survive without power by practicing urban preparation. The urban preparing lifestyle focuses on locating and obtaining essential supplies from discovered materials, water resources, and other supplies that are more easily available in metropolitan environments. Solar systems for off-grid. Electricity supplied by public systems isn't the sole way to power your house. You may invest in sustainable energy sources such as solar, wind turbines, and hydroelectric sources. The use of a solar power system or even a bicycle generator is a popular example. Upon reviewing all of this, life without power does not seem so frightening. Nevertheless, the opportunity to live without power could now be appealing. Life without electricity may range from basic to luxury depending on your assets and the work you want to put in. It would undoubtedly harken back to a simpler, less chaotic, and less confusing era.